So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Sony headphones just aren't pairing. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, if your headphones that you just bought, or maybe you had them for a while, if they are not pairing up, you first want to make sure that they are even turned on or that they are charged. Sometimes these headphones may not be charged up, or there might be having some issues in that perspective. So you might have to go through and hold down on the power button to go ahead and basically go through and make sure they're powered on, or charge them up and then try doing the same thing. Sometimes you might have to go through and just try charging them up first and then try doing the same thing. So plug them in, then go through and try holding down the power button, power these things up. And that can be another really easy thing that can go through and pretty much fix this problem. That right there is going to be a very, very easy thing, and that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation. Now, another thing that you might want to do if that's not working is to go through and try doing a soft reset. So it kind of depends on per model, but if you want to, you might want to go through and try looking at your buttons, and you can see you have your power button here. You want to go ahead and basically, while these things are charged up, you want to click the volume up and the volume down buttons simultaneously. So plug them in, go ahead and hit the volume up or volume down button if you're on these ones. The other ones, I think you just hold down the power button for like an extra 10 or 15 seconds. Now, if that's still not working, you might want to go through and see if it's a problem with your device. If it's your device, your iPhone, Android, whatever you have, and this is the problem, you might have to go through and try repairing, go into your Bluetooth settings here and try making sure it's not a problem with your device, because sometimes that can be the issue as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.